All right, we are asked to identify which expression is equivalent to x to the 3/4. So x to the 3/4. Okay, so we have to talk about what is the 3 mean and what is the 4 mean. What do those numbers actually stand for? So when we think about this, it's always x to the numerator is always the exponent, and bottom number is always the root. So is it a square root, is it a cube root, is it a fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, whatever. So when we convert this back to a radical, so that's the key for this, because if you look up at our answers, C and D do not have this radical symbol. So to be honest, I'm just not even going to consider it. A and B are our two options. So x always goes on the inside. We said the top number is the exponent. So 3 is my exponent. We know everything about exponents, and exponents always go up here. There's always that little number up on top. And the bottom number we said is always the root, and this problem is 4. So if you look up at the possible answers, it might give you a little bit of a hint of where this number is supposed to go. So the root always goes out here, and we said it's a 4th root, so the 4 goes out there. Be very, very careful when you go back to look at your answers, because you can notice that A and B are very similar. So I'm taking the 4th root of x to the 3rd, which is A.